I am Namrata Satpathy. I am from VIT AP. I'm a computer science engineering student and I belong from Odisha, Cuttack, but my college is in Thulur, Andhra Pradesh. So Career Labs had a collab with DSC VIT AP and I am a part of DSC VIT AP. I am the photography and creatives head. We were the organizers. We all attended the meet, and after the meet, I decided to join Career Labs because for our college placements, we don't have designing jobs. I wanted to go into designing, but I didn't know how to start, what to study, where to study, and how to get a job, how to contact to people. So after the meet, I decided to join Career Labs. I did a little research on Google about all the platforms, and I found this platform really feasible for me. Quite good experience because in our college they don't do that. I mean, in any college they don't do that. They first ask you what all things you're interested in. Because for 1 year I was in dilemma why I was doing this engineering, because I was a lot more into art and craft than into engineering. I liked my subject a lot, but I was so confused what I have to do with engineering. I had no idea. So during the tests, they helped me. I mean, they asked me what I was interested in, and that was a really good feeling because nobody asks what you want to do, what you're interested in. Because after 12, you just, I have nothing to do. Okay, just let's get into engineering. And so after 1 year, I was in real dilemma. But then I started seeing people doing animations, using Photoshop, Illustrator, XD. I had no idea what these things were, but these things really fascinated me. What these things are? Maybe I want to do these than sitting and coding. But after this meet and after asking 2-3 seniors what UI UX is, I decided to join you people. From the 6 starter packs, I had 2D animation, 3D animation, front-end web development, C++ foundation, and gaming technology and fundamentals of UI UX. I tried all of them. But gaming technology and 3D I didn't do, sir, because after doing 2D and using Blender or little and all that, I realized that is not my forte. I completed the web dev, completed C++ because anyways, I am a computer science engineering student. I have to do those. So I did a little bit earlier only. So I had a knowledge. So I completed those. And UI UX and 2D animation I completed, but I chose UI UX because I was already a little bit into UI UX, and after doing the fundamentals I was pretty sure, no, this is the thing I want. UI UX is basically designing products, the mobile applications people use, the websites, the kiosk, all those products. The designing part is the role or the job of an UI UX designer. Basically, UI UX designing is to make it easy for people to understand the product. And what I have learned is, if we don't do the designing properly, the whole effort of the whole team, developing and then marketing and then everything will go in vain if we don't design well. So designing is the fundamental step of any product. And for designing, we have to understand the users, what the user wants in the product. And accordingly we have to decide, and accordingly we have to put the features in that. And after the features, that is the UX part, we have to take care of the visuals and everything, that is the UI part. We also have to take care of the specially abled people so that the product is easy for them to use as well. And first we do the designing on paper, then we do a wireframe which we can do on Adobe XD or Figma or Sketch is only for MacBooks, sir. So I don't think I will be able to use that. Maybe if I buy a MacBook someday. And then there is Azure, and such applications are used to for the designing. And then there are testability, sir, user testability. If the product we have designed, user is able to understand the design. And there are various UX methodologies to design a product. And at the end, after the designing is finalized, the product manager takes our design and gives it to the developer to develop it. There was a CV writing webinar, yes. And then there were the previous aptitude paper discussions. We have STS in our college. I did the basic things and then I was like, yeah, I know. But then after the discussions, I got to know that no, if I sit in an aptitude question paper, I'm going to fail. because all I know is the basic ones, and the basic ones won't help. I have to practice a lot more. And the CV one also was really good because I understood what I have to put in my CV. I took the essential. I don't remember the program names. I took the one where UI UX both are there. But after I chose UI UX, a mail came that you are not eligible for this because you took the previous program. But then after I contacted them, they resolved the issue and they told, no, you are in the enhanced one, I guess, and they put me in the UI UX program. What I know is in our college, you have to do a sit and code to get a job. All jobs we get is for software development and coding and regarding all that, but there is no designing job. So all my fellow aspirants who are into designing and all, they can really come to this platform because Ramesha sir teaches really well, and we have other benefits like the webinars and all, and issues are solved really well. Like whenever you have an issue, you call them, you mail them. You have that initial step where you asked what you want to do, and regarding then you're giving the starter packs. That is a really good thing. So people, especially people who don't know what to do right now, there are a lot of people out there, they can join this platform.